Mom, do we have to go to Tata's house? Seriously.
Richard, we haven't seen your grandmother for 2 weeks. Okay? It will be there half an hour. It's a 5-minute drive, okay? So everybody buckle up.
Richard, put your seatbelt on. You didn't need your seatbelt, seriously. It hurts your neck, it tightens you up, you can't move, and it's hot. But it's safe.
Safe for you. I don't
What
want
are
you
the
getting
odds
hurt.
of someone getting hurt or even crashing into another car? Seriously.
Fine. Richard! Richard, are you awake? Speak to me! Speak to me, Richard! Ah!